am completely obsessed with this waterwave minimalist lace bob wig from, you guessed it, LuvMe Hair. So let's go ahead and get into it. We are getting into a unit from LuvMe Hair, and you're probably wondering, why do I have it on this hanger hanging upside down? But we're gonna get into all of that. So before we go any further, I just wanna go ahead and jump to the unboxing and why it's looking the way it's looking.
Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. So of course the purple box is LuvMe Hair, and inside the box we have a letter from the founder, Helena. Love me for you, born for you, existing for you, unbox to love and shine bright. We also have the unit, elastic band, wig box label, lace tapes, wig caps, an eyebrow brush, a purple mesh bag to help store our units. These little bags are so convenient. Also a thank you card with wig care tips, how to return, their social medias, and common wig issues. So now let's go ahead and take the unit out of the paper. Now it came with an elastic band to attach on the inside of the unit. This is going to be a minimalist lace unit. The lace comes pre-cut off, plucked, bleached. We have 2 combs in the front of the unit, 1 in the back, and we also have adjustable straps in the back of the unit. This unit has traditional ear tabs, and it can only be worn as a left side part. 10 inches long, and the texture is water wave.
All right guys, so let's go ahead and get into this install. So as you saw, I have the unit hanging upside down just to create a lot of volume in the top of it. So I'm trying this out. This is the first time that I'm actually doing this, but just want to see how it turns out with this method. Okay, so also I did try out a new product. This is the LuvMe Hair Wig Renewal Curl Mousse. So usually I use a lot of body to define the curls on my units, but I decided to use this because I could not find my lot of body. And then also I just combed through the unit just regularly, and then just kind of smoothed the product through the hair, and then clipped it on a skirt hanger hanging upside down, just right about where that back comb is. Just hung it upside down. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and install. So first things first, I need to go ahead and put this elastic band in the inside of the unit. All right, so here we go. And in the inside of the unit, we do have these little spaces here where you can just put in the elastic band, and all you're doing is just sliding that hook through that space and doing the same thing on the other side. So just sliding it through, and there we have it. All right, so I just have on a nude wig cap. I'm gonna go ahead and just place this elastic band around the back of my head, and I'll turn around. So as so, I'm gonna pull this unit down and place this back comb in the back of my hair, and just adjust a little bit. All right, turn around, and here we go. So it definitely created a lot of volume here in the front. Okay, let's see here. All right, just kind of smoothing that down and adjusting some more. Okay, so here we go. This is what the unit is looking like. I'm probably gonna have to spray some water or something to kind of tame it downward now. Don't know if I'll be using this method in the future, but it definitely created a lot of volume. So if you like a lot of volume, this is a great method. So this unit comes with the lace pre-cut off. The knots are bleached. The hairline is pre-plucked. Now, since the lace is cut off, it did come with a little bit more lace than I like, so I am going to go ahead and cut that back just a little bit. But immediately I can say that this unit fits my head very, very nicely. Traditional ear tabs, however, they are fitting my head nicely, not resting on top of my ears or anything. I'm going to go ahead and put these front combs in the front of my hair. All right. Super duper secure. Okay, so now let's work on this lace. So just want to cut it back just a little bit and make sure that you do not cut your edges. And make sure to cut in like a jagged motion. right, there we go. Okay, so I can honestly say I will not be doing that upside down drying method in the future, but right now I'm going to take some water. This is just plain water, and I'm going to spray it just to kind of loosen up how it's looking. Okay. And not a lot. I don't want to completely saturate it, but just to kind of relax the hair. And same thing on this side. All right, just a little bit right here around the parting space. And this looks so much better. This looks so much better. So I definitely just should have let it air dry the traditional way that I normally do on my mannequin head, but this is a really, really cute look. I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup right here in the parting space and around the hairline. And then also I am going to provide you the specs of this unit. So just a Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 330 with a brush. And just going to brush this right here in the parting space. Now, one thing is I wish the part was plucked out just a little bit more. Now this is only a minimalist lace unit, so it can only be parted on the left hand side. So I get a lot of questions about these minimalist lace units. Some people, when they receive them, there's not a distinctive part when it arrives, and so they're always like, oh, it doesn't have a part. When I part it, the lace is the tracks are showing. No. What you have to do is part the hair right in the center of that lace. That way we have a clean part, there's no track showing. Easy as pie. It is super duper easy. Just a little bit right here around the hairline, because I will not be gluing or spraying this down. I'm just going to wear this completely glueless. Kind of hide that just a little bit. But this is the unit. I'm going to go ahead and turn around so I can show you all angles. So this is the front side. I love how it's like shaped in an asymmetrical bob. It's longer here in the front than in the back. Here is the back. The curls are fluffy and bouncy. These are like those effortless curls, so you really don't have to do a lot to define them. Just simply rake your fingers through them, and that is it. So let me give you all the specs of this unit. So this is LuvMe Hair's 10-inch Ready and Go Water Wave Short Curly Bob. It is glueless, minimalist HD lace, and the lace is pre-cut off. I knew this was like a water wave curl because it's just effortless. Water wave, you do not have to do a ton to it. You don't have to add a ton of product. You don't really have to take your time with defining the curls on the unit. So this unit is in the color Natural Black. Now they do have a blonde highlighted one, which is also nice. There it is. So this one is Natural Black, comes in inches from 10 inches all the way up to 14 inches. And this one is the shortest length. This is 10 inches. So for 10 inches, price is $118.33. Plus, make sure to jot down my promo code, which is SNH28, 28% off. This is 150% density, 100% human hair, medium cap size, which is about 22.5 inches. It is a C-shaped left side part. So again, can only be worn as a left side part. You cannot wear it as a right side part. So sorry to you right side part girlies. Let's see here. Comes pre-plucked, pre-cut, and pre-bleached, and that is it. That is it for the specs. So let me go ahead and turn around again so I can show you all angles. And again, I did not spray a ton of water on here, just enough to kind of just like loosen how it was sitting, like upside down. I did not like that. I don't like that method. Don't do that. So just wash the unit, put it on a mannequin head, and just comb through the unit, rake some mousse through it, and you're good to go. Or if you want to do it while it's on your head, then you can do that as well. But don't hang it upside down. Don't do that. Okay, so let me turn around just once more so you can see. Very, very cute bob unit. I love me a bob that does not hit the shoulders at all. So it's like I don't even have anything on my head at all. Love this like heavy side part. Very, very cute unit. Very fun and flirty. Okay, but that wraps up this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to check out the description box. I'll put a link to LuvMe Hair's website, a link to this Minimalist water wave unit, and then of course my promo code SNH28 gives you 28% off this unit and any other unit you decide to purchase from LuvMe Hair. This unit is super beginner friendly. It's effortless. You do not have to glue this unit down. Look at this comb sliding right under. We did not glue or spray anything down with this unit. You could just put it on and go, which we absolutely love that. So that concludes everything that I have to say about this unit. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, send a friend, and I will see you all in the next video.